Hardware is hard. Whenever you hear about hardware, you almost inevitably will hear this quote. It often feels like it's all anyone ever says about hardware these days. But that common phrase is actually a little bit misleading. Contrary to popular opinion, hardware is actually getting easier. All sorts of innovative solutions have come online to facilitate innovation in the physical world. Today, it's common to imagine an idea for a product, model it in 3D, create photorealistic renders of the product, and then simulate the manufacturing and real-world usage conditions of that product all from a computer. So while it's true that hardware is difficult and complex and expensive, the truth is, hardware is the easiest it's ever been. But that statement only holds true if you're already good at hardware. So while hardware is getting easier for the engineers, it's still practically as challenging as it's ever been for people who don't have hardware expertise. And that, my friends, is the true problem. There are countless brilliant people with expertise in business and other functions who know something very important about the world and see a great opportunity to solve a real-world problem with a hardware solution. Unfortunately, there's no easy way for these people to get the information and insights that they need to succeed with their product idea. General Symbol is working on solving that problem. Our goal is to make it easier to make things by making it easier to understand things. General Symbol creates digital twins of physical items and objects. We call these digital twins product maps. Each product map includes design and manufacturing data, accurate and detailed 3D models, market analytics, logistics and customs insights, and much, much more. General Symbol is currently developing a repository of hundreds of product maps, and we also have the ability to create custom product maps upon request. Currently, General Symbol is in a closed beta. If you would like to stay up to date with General Symbol and register for early access, please visit generalsymbol.com/beta to register your email.